Welcome to our IPTV guide for 2025. Step 1 is to visit 2tv.store now. Here, you'll find the best IPTV choices. Explore features and pricing to find options. Look out for live support from Nancy. She will guide you through the installation. Don't hesitate to ask her any questions. After installation, enjoy instant access. Discover diverse channels tailored for everyone. Tune in to your favorite shows without interruption. Let's review some popular IPTV services now. First, we have Service A, great value. Next is Service B, known for its variety. Service C offers exclusive sports content. Consider these options for your needs. Gather your family's viewing preferences first. How many channels would you really use? Measuring bandwidth for streaming is essential. You want a smooth streaming experience. Remember, check 2tv.store for deals. You'll feel empowered with your choice. Now you're ready to enjoy seamless streams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the best IPTV experience in 2025.